Obutikirizana hagati y'abahingi n'abarisa omyanya nkankoko Kiyanja 1 Kiyanja 2 na Kabukero bukabarukaho 2007 kandi eki kigemeserize government okwabarisa ecweka kitaka ahitaka rya Uganda People's Defence Force okuba niho bakorera emirimo yabo. No kusya hati enshongezi tizikatereraga embazo zombiri zitwiranizirwa nditaka eritine nsharo. Ahabwe enshongeji orwa katano ruhwire aba bakakambika a ofisi ya RDC barikworeka obutashemererwa bwabo ari government okukwatijaga enshonga yabo.
The population is increasing every day. We have now reached 2010 people here. 2010. We have school-going children. The situation is worrying. We have no toilets here. We only had one toilet, which is now full up. We have no water. There is a breakdown of water. We don't have sanitary things to use. We are just here with vulnerable mothers who are pregnant, with babies.
Obwiro bamazireho emyanya ibatwire nibejoneramu eijwire borekerire okukwatwesheshe nezindi ndwara z'oburofa haba hatagizire ecyakorwa.
We expect breakdown, outbreak of diseases, because when you look around in the plantations around, when I was moving around, the whole place is messed up. These people have to use toilets, and when they find it blocked, of course, they will not suffer the what? They will only mess up the place.
Zefa Mubingwa omuhwezi wa RDC awa district ya Kasese nagirangu enshonga z'amataka ahagati y'abarisa n'abahingi zimaziro obwire buringwa kandi yabashaba okugumisiriza obwo government erukoronda ekyo kukora.
The issue of land between cultivators and pastoralists in a number of parts of this district has been there for long. And government has been undertaking a process of conclusively handling it.
Government kuyahire yitaka okutereza ensharo terakifireho kandi ndicho kiriyo nikisubukaho obutikiriza n'ubu.
They worked on the process but they could not complete. So they did the process halfway, and that's the reason why these challenges still come.
Oguna wenshonga y'ebyo buyonjo omwanya ogu tiyagigurusya misho.
The sanitation situation has continued deteriorating, but we are working together with the municipality authority to ensure that we live above the situation.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.